Welcome people, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making some tender lamb chops. So you know what to do, just hit that like button and that subscribe button, and if you're feeling a bit extra lovely you can leave yourself a cheeky comment. Alright, cool, let's get straight into the video. So what we have today is some minted lamb chops, some all-purpose seasoning, some black pepper, some ground paprika, some garlic granules, some tomato puree, some thyme, some fresh rosemary, some fresh onion, and some fresh garlic. All the measurements will be in the description box below. So okay, cool, it's time to season our meat. So first we're gonna go in with our all-purpose seasoning. You've got to make sure that you're just moving the pieces around just to make sure the seasoning gets everywhere. Then we're going to go in with our black pepper. Then we're going to go in with our ground paprika. Then we're going to go in with our garlic granules and then mix it up. So now that all the meat is seasoned, what we're going to do is just grab yourself a tray, preferably one with a rack, and just place all the meat on that tray. So now it's time to put our lamb chops in the oven for about 30 minutes. So I put it in for 15 minutes and then took it out to check on it and turn it over, and then put it back in for another 15 minutes. So now that our lamb chops are cooked, what I did is just take it off that rack and put it into a separate plate, and then pour some boiling water into that same tray to get the juices to make the gravy for our lamb chops. So I poured that water that was in the tray into a pot and allowed it to boil on the stove for about 10 minutes. So now that it's boiling, what we're going to do is go in with our fresh white onion. Then we're gonna go in with our fresh garlic. If you see that it's starting to dry out, just keep adding water to it. Now we're gonna go in with our tomato puree. Now it's time to go in with our thyme. So here, I'm just adding some water into that seasoning bowl and then just pouring that into the gravy just to make sure that I'm getting as much flavour as possible. So now it's time to go in with our fresh rosemary. So yeah, with this one, I just got my rosemary from my garden, so there's no actual measurements on here, but I know you can buy them in the supermarket. This is all on a medium heat. Just make sure that it's boiling because eventually it will start to thicken. So now we're gonna go in with our cooked lamb chops and just put them into the gravy and make sure that it's covered over. So now it's time to put a lid on it and leave it to cook to become tender. So I cooked it for approximately about 45 minutes in total. I was checking it every 15 minutes just to make sure that the gravy is not drying out, and if it did, I would just add some more water to it. But yeah, now you can see that the gravy's thickened. It just smells so amazing. I'm telling you guys, you need to try this recipe and leave a comment below if you did and let me know how it went. But yeah, like there we have it, some tender lamb chops, M's Kitchen style. If you like this video, I would really appreciate it if you gave it a big thumbs up, and if you was to hit that subscribe button, and if you're feeling, you know, a bit special, you can just share this video with your friends and family. But yeah, if you want to check out more of my videos, you can click right here in the top right corner to check out more recipes. Anyways, this is M's Kitchen over and out. I'll see you in my next video.